year. I did my 12th in 2017. Now I'm pursuing graduation from Kanpur University. My hobbies are reading books and newspapers and also playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force as an airman, so I'm present here for group discussion. Today's topic is mobile phone. As we know that we are living in 21st century, this is called technological era. Mobile phone is a basic need of a man. The invention of mobile phone is created by Mr. Martin Cooper, and without wire we can connect with other people with the help of mobile phone. As we know that every coin has two sides. Some are benefits, some are problems. First we will see benefits. With the help of mobile phone we can access with the our study, we can connect with the other people. With the help of internet we can connect social media, and also we can find another way to learn another languages. But same time we have many study shown us that mobile phone, too much using of mobile phone, the concentration power and also memory loss cases are decreasing day by day, because a study shown that in India every person used about average 6 to 7 hours.
My name is Arpit Tiwari. I am from Kanpur, UP. I pursued my intermediate from Mass DVL Inter College, Umri, with 88% mark, and now I am pursuing my BSc third year from Kanpur University. My father name is Mr. Kumar Tiwari. His occupation is farming, and my mother name is Mrs. Sakuntala Tiwari. She is homemaker. If I talk about my hobby is playing cricket, and in my free time, I like to listen to music. I want to join Indian Air Force because there is no reservation in this job. And today we all here gather here for discussion the topic mobile phone. The topic given to us is mobile phone. There are many benefits and negative points in phones, because we know, we all know that we are living in the 21st century. It is also called that era of technology. Mobile phone play an important role in our life. By in COVID-19 pandemic, there are many students who who studied with mobile phone. And another thing, if we talk about a negative point, it makes us lazy and lethargic. It is effect on my eyesight. Yes.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. As far as my introduction is concerned, I am Balram Dubey. I hail from Kanpur. I was born and brought up in Kanpur, which is famous for leather history. I tell about my education. In 2018, I have completed my intermediate with 82% marks, and now I am pursuing for BSc and also preparing for Indian Air Force. I tell about my family background. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. We are four siblings. My hobbies are playing cricket and rising in the morning. The positive personality are that I am good learner, diligent, and smart worker. To become the part of Indian Air Force has been a dream of my life since my childhood. To accomplish this dream and as well as to support my family, I want to join Indian Air Force. Today we are here to discuss about the topic. The topic is mobile phone. Mobile phone is an electronic wireless portable device which is used to send and receive messages or voice. With the advent of smartphones, it has a new sense. It is the most important essential instrument for the communication. And as we know that every coin has two sides, positive and negative. With the help of the mobile phone, students can learn anything. If any students are not able to go outside of the home for higher education, then mobile phone is a very beneficial for them, because they can get a lot of knowledge from the internet, and a lot of teachers are available who are providing the content freely. And if we are not able to solve any question, but we can take a picture, and after that we can send it to our friends and teachers, so that they can provide us the solution with a few minutes. And by pressing a few buttons, we can get any kind of help, as ambulance, as police, and many more facilities are available. Thanks.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon to all of my GD friends. My name is Harsh. My father's name is Mr. Ramcharan Prajapati. I belong to UP at Kanpur. I have completed my 10th with 87% marks and 12th with 88% marks from UP board. Recently, I have completed my graduation from CSJM University, Kanpur. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies, and reading newspaper. My strength point is that I am self-motivated and laborious boy. My hobby, I want to join Indian Air Force as an airman because it gives us equality to the all sector boy and adventure life also. Now, I would like to come to my topic. Today's topic given to us mobile phone. As we know that we are living in 21st century. It is a era of technology. Mobile phone is the transformation form of the telephone, which was invented by Graham Bell. As we know that every coin has two sides. First of all, I would like to tell you about the pros. We can easily see that in the pandemic situation, school are remain closed. The boys are doing their study by cell phone, mobile phone, and we are also seen that in the pandemic situation, many kinds of workers who are doing their work from home. It is very beneficial for them, and we can also see that play a single.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rajan. I am from Bhatampur, Kanpur Nagar. My district Kanpur is famous for the Manchester of North India. I have completed my intermediate from before Prayagraj. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and listening music. I am cheerful and cooperative by the nature. I easily adjust with all kind of environment. I am physically fit and mentally sound. Indian Air Force is the most respected job in our society. And it's no reservation and no discrimination based on color, caste, region, and selection purely on merit basis. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to touch the sky with glory. We gather here for the group discussion. So I come to the topic. The topic is mobile phones. Mobile phone is an electronic device which are using for communications and networking. We can be done any work within nanoseconds by the mobile phones. And if we are using mobile phones, then we have done any work with the help of mobile phones. And if we are using mobile phones, it's a lot of provides facilities as calling and send messages to anyone and search places in any cities. And we all know that every coin has two sides. So same here it is very useful, and so same here it is harmful for both us. And we all know that children are addicted to mobile phones, so it is very harmful for us, and it is very harmful for our eyes. So we can say that
Good afternoon, sir, and all of my friends. My name is Yasa. I'm 17 years old. I born and brought up in my village at Mathur, district Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my 10 plus 2 from Bhatanpur, Kanpur. In current, I'm doing graduation with the Kanpur University. My father name is Mr. Ramkumar Sahu and mother name is Rama Devi. My parents teaches us studied manner and positive and hard worker. I'm good learner and listener. My hobbies are reading historical knowledgeable books which give new knowledge. I like to play outdoor games like cricket and football. Hence, the topic given to us to the part of discussion is a mobile phone. As we all know that we are living in the age of science and it is a technology age, and mobile phone is the boon for the humans. And mobile phone is the part and parcel for the humans. Every person use the mobile phone, and that there are have pros and cons of the mobile phone. At first we see pros of the mobile phone. Mobile phone is the boon for the student. Every person use the mobile phone and got new skill and knowledge. And student use the mobile phone for studying and developing new technical knowledge and etc. And the side effect of the mobile phone is that we are addicting of the mobile phone and we are waste lots of time. In my personal opinion, if we are able to make the balance between these technology, these are boon for us. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ritik Chand. I hail from Bhatanpur, Kanpur. My father name is Mr. Sudhir Chand. I have pursued my 12th from MDPL Umri Kanpur. Now I'm pursuing a Bachelor of Science from Jalta Mahavidyalaya, specialization of the math. And my hobby of singing song, dancing, and playing outdoor game. Now I want to join the Indian Air Force because Air Force is my life very earlier and I give adventure life to me and equal to the all sector wise. Now I'm going to speak about the part and parcel of our life, and that is a cell phone. Why I'm saying that, what is the why it is a part and parcel of the life? Because if we see in the past time, we can see that if people go out, we cannot connect to them in for any system. But in this time, we are seeing that we can find a each and every moment knowledge for where the person is standing over there. And I think this is also boon for us. And as we know that as the technology is increasing day by day, we are finding some benefit, but in the one side we are also finding cons of it, because in this time we are seeing that many of the children are giving a knowledge that making a studying by the coding and studying making a apps, and they are finding a best prize there. And I think they are improving their life and growing our life about there. And one side we are seeing that many of the children addicting to the mobile phones, and we can see that many of the sites who are giving the distraction to the children. I think this is also bad for the children. And we are seeing, we can also see that not the children, so all over the adult, young, and also children are addicted to mobile phone. I think the people, if we are taking a knowledge from their technology, I think it is a boon for them. And if we are,
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Shadab Ahmed from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. My father is Mr. Mediation. If I talk about my qualification, I have completed 10 plus 2 from UP board with 85% marks and now pursuing graduation. My hobbies are playing cricket and watching movies. In spare time, I read motivational books as Wings of Fire and Vikas Kavit. My mission to join Indian Air Force as an air warrior because it is my parent dream. We are gathered here to discuss a topic. Topic is mobile phone. Mobile phone is a electronic portable device which has been became our basic needs. We are using it like a PC. Without a mobile phone, we can't do many things. There are a lot of features in mobile phone as calculator, watch, and alarm, which help us in our daily routine. With the help of mobile phone, we can get knowledge and get information, and also can know what is going on all over the world. It is the best thing for us. And if we talk about the disadvantage of mobile phone, as I know, there is a lot of radiation emits from the mobile phone, which is very harmful for our eyes. So if we use the mobile phone in a limit way, and it can be very beneficial for us. Thank you.